59. Tomorrow is my birthday. Also my ordination day tomorrow, and also the Jubilee I am celebrating. It's supposed to be tomorrow since I was too late to inform Bishop and get a day. Otherwise it would have been probably tomorrow. But then the Sundari program is there, we are aware. That's why we are anticipating one day today, and this evening Bishop has been so gracious to accept my request, and the Bishop is here with us today. So I am going to cut this cake. Please pray for me, each one of you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.